Toby McDonald from Compass. Welcome to 3913 San Rafael in the beautiful Mount Washington neighborhood of Los Angeles. Come with me to take a look.
3913 San Rafael Avenue is a turnkey, gracious home that offers luxury, serenity, and privacy. The Walsh residence was designed by architect Kenneth Lee and sits on almost a quarter of an acre with expansive mountain and city views. This reimagined custom home is located across from the tranquil gardens of the Self-Realization Fellowship and down the street from the acclaimed Mount Washington Elementary School. At close to 4,000 square feet, this thoughtful and meticulously cared for home was designed to bring the indoors in with plenty of natural light and space, including a separate office, playroom, and media music room. You will be delighted by the chef's kitchen, 3 wood-burning gas fireplaces, sweeping decks and balconies with tranquil views throughout. The attached 2.5 car garage is a perfect space for a gym or workshop with a 240-volt outlet ready for your electric car. Welcome home.
Thank you very much for enjoying the tour of this amazing home. We look forward to hearing from you soon. All of the contact information will be at the end of this video. Thank you again for your time.